So I got a really cool opportunity to help a company start building something for the metaverse. My new boss sent me an Oculus Quest 2. So I thought it'd be a really cool idea to unbox it with you. Ooh, I can't wait to see it. And here it is. Let me turn it around so you can see. The packaging is always so beautiful. Honestly, I feel like the packaging is actually my favorite part. Now let's start opening this so you can see what's inside. Awesome, so it comes with 3 basic pieces, the headset and the 2 hand pieces. It looks like it has 4 little cameras on the front, a plus-minus button on the bottom, and I think an on-off switch and charger on the side. You can adjust the eye lenses to give you a better view. It also comes with a silicone cover, which will help it stay on your face. These are all of the prompted slides. Since Facebook bought Oculus, now you have to sign in with your Facebook account. Or maybe I should be calling the company Meta now since they rebranded. Anyway, this is done on your phone. After setting it up, it'll prompt you to charge it. I hope you had fun watching this unboxing. For more videos like these, like and subscribe.